Today, I'm showing you exactly how KFC fries are made, and trust me, you have never seen this before.
Watch the clearance on the left.
Bring in the next pallet now. Check this out, guys. This machine can cut 50 pounds of potatoes in under a minute. Look at this mechanism. These might be the BEEST fries I've ever had. Look at this. This is a lot of fries and they look amazing.
So here's exactly how this part of the process works. Wave Act is super simple and really cool.
You guys will not believe what we just cooked up in here. This is the biggest burger you have ever seen. Check it out. Insane!
You have to see this next part.
We're moving so fast today. Look at these industrial fryers. We're gonna cook everything in under a minute. Check it out.
Subscribe for the next crazy video. If you enjoyed this, wait till you see the next fun recipe.